In this video, we're going to work with equivalent fractions and sequences of equivalent fractions. So if we have a problem like this that says find the missing number to complete the equivalent fraction, and then we see the sequence of equivalent fractions. So we have 1/3 equals 2/6, which equals 3/9, which equals question mark over 12, which equals 5/15, which equals 6/18. So the trick to doing this is knowing that you need to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number to find the equivalent fraction. So let's start with the first one in the sequence, 1/3. So we know the next number is 2/6. What do you multiply 1 by to get 2? Well, you multiply by 2. So to keep the fraction whole, you multiply the fraction by the same number in the numerator and in the denominator. And that will give you 2/6, right? 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 2 is 6. Now you move to the next one. The next number in the sequence is 3, right? 1 times 3 equals 3, 3 times 3 equals 9. And you just keep going. 1/3 times 4/4 equals 4/12. So the next one is 1/3 times 5/5. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 5/15, 5/15. And then we'll do the last one there in the sequence. 1/3 times 6/6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. So we have our answer already, and the missing number is 4. And that's the trick to help you find equivalent fractions. And if you don't understand this right away, don't worry. Practice makes improvement.